Hello YouTubers, it's Baker0158 again. Today is April the 16th. Went to Phantom Fireworks again. Bought some stuff. Not much, I spent about $95. So probably today was my last day going to Phantom, not unless they get some like different coupons and I might go again. I'm waiting for my catalog to come in here, and a couple weeks from now should be coming. First part of May, that's what the lady told me, but I'll shut up. Gets to the fireworks. I got this number 5. It's by Gucci. It's called Round Red Delilah. It's number 5. Really nice. I like these tubes, by the way, because they're actually kind of big, if you can see. And they have a really nice thumb to them. I like them, so put that over there. Also got another tube. It's by Gucci also. The Silver Crackling Palm. I don't know if you can see it. Really good. Silver Crackling Palm. Very nice. Boom. Nice tube. I know I was getting some comments from people about, I did get one comment, this one person saw my video, I forget who he was, but he told me I was shaking, but he still said I had a nice video. I went to Sears today, I got a tripod. That's what my video camera's on right now. So, it'll stop me from shaking, because I shake really bad. I don't know why, I just do. But, I bought this cake. It's called the Solar Explosion 19 shot. The effects are red glitter tail to red and silver glitter, green glitter to tail to green and silver glitter. It's called the Solar Explosion. If you have any videos or if you have this, let me know how it is. Never bought it, so throwing that out. Also, I did mix and match that Solar Explosion. I bought that. I got this one for free. Machine gun shells. I went to YouTube and looked at some of the videos. I really like this. It's pretty nice. 19 shot. It just says on the back right here, shoots 19 big bursts of rapid fire. Pretty nice sized tubes. And pretty well built too, so. Oh shit, the cops. I don't know if you can hear that. I heard the cops. I used a coupon on this. It expired today on the 16th, which is today. If you spend over $100, you get a 19 shot repeater free. And I could have got another one today, but I only spent $95. But it was from my last video, my fireworks stash part 5. I spent about $145. I kept the receipt and took it over there, and the guy told me, yeah, I can use it. So the day I went over there, I got different stuff. I didn't know they had that coupon, but got this one free. It's Planetarium Pyro Fusion 19 shot. The effects are 19 shot silver burst with silver comments, and then silver fish with silver fish, yeah. And my last one, I also used a coupon. It was $99. It was $99 the regular price, but I used a coupon. It was 29 bucks. If you go to their website, Phantom, at the bottom of their website, go to Twitter. They have coupons. I don't know if you guys knew that, but got this 25 shot Wolfpack missile battery thing. You get 25 of them, which you can see. 25 of them, really nice. Please leave me a comment, or let me know how this is, because I never had it, and I'm glad I got it. But let me know how it is if you had it before. So, and that's it. That's all I got. Sorry, there's not a lot, but still I got some fireworks. It's the main thing, and that's all I got right there. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Just wanted to show you what I got here. It's not a lot, but here we go. That's all my stuff. This will be my last video until May sometime. So, not unless I change my mind, and if they have some more good coupons, I'll go back to Phantom. I also got some comments about, I forget who he was, but he's one of my friends on YouTube. He told me Phantom is not the best. Phantom, I'm not gonna be an asshole or anything. Phantom, they do have nice stuff, but there's one thing I don't like about them. Their prices are too high. I know there's some fireworks stores out there that are selling stuff like this, exactly like this. Not exactly, but pretty much the same stuff, like repeaters and tubes and little missile things, a lot cheaper. But you can't beat that. I mean, Phantom Fireworks is the #1 selling fireworks company in the United States. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Just leave me a comment or send me a message. So, I'll be seeing you guys a month from now. Bye.